Hey, Andrew from Monheim Microphones here. I'm talking about the decoupler today. We have a lot of customers across the world now using the decoupler. We sell it actually in the FET microphone. In that situation, we have it designed to be the actual shock mount for the FET. But you can buy a decoupler and use it with just about anything. This is a larger format decoupler, which we sell. Both decouplers that we have do the same thing. They physically, mechanically isolate your actual microphone from the stand itself. You'll see decouplers used a lot in the hi-fi world for turntables and the like, but it's a very simple concept. You're basically mechanically isolating two surfaces. So vibrations might be happening on the stand or the base of the stand, and your mic signal is not picking them up anymore when you're using a decoupler. So it's very simple. You just thread it onto a normal mic stand, just how you would a normal microphone, except instead of the shock mount, you're going to put this first. And we're just going to thread it on there. And it's on. And then we're going to add our shock mount on just as you normally would to the mic stand itself. Only difference now is that your low end response is going to be more accurate and full. This is great in orchestral applications. This is great in drum applications, live applications where you're on stage and there's a lot of low end. These are a no-brainer. Every mic source on stage should have one of these on a stage. Home studios need them as bad as anything. I know a lot of people that are in apartments, condos, homes that have a lot of vibrational transfer. Is definitely a problem solver when you need to. So I would start by trying a decoupler in a situation, and if it solves the problem for you immediately, start adding it into your everyday workflow. Monheim Decoupler, it's available on our website and through our dealers.